Hello, this is a short video presentation on how to graph the easy way. First of all, let's look at yesterday's assignment. And I want you to pay attention to where the graph crosses the y-axis here. I want to look at where it crosses. And it crosses here at 1, 2, 3, 4, -5. Notice that this number is -5. Here, I cross at 1. This number is a 1. Here I cross at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got a 5. I cross at 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4. I cross at 5, 5. Here, there is no number here. I cross at 0, so that makes sense. All right, and it also makes sense because when you got this number of -5, you put x equals 0. And we have y equals -7/2 times 0 minus 5. Any number times 0 is 0. So it stands to reason that the -5 is our result. Makes sense. All right, the other thing I want you to notice here is that this number is the same as my slope. All right? Right here, this number is same as my slope. Same as my slope. And you'll notice it's true for all of them. 1/3, 1/3, -1/5, -1/5. Here, there is no number, but there's really a 1 there, so it's the same. All right? The last thing when we look at the graph, not on all of them, but this one, the slope is -2, up to left -1, rise over run, 2 over -1 equals -2. And we can also go down to right 1. Down to right 1. We can do that forever. 2, 1, 2, 1. It can go up and left. 2, 1. Here, we can go, our slope is 2, go down 2, positive, negative, left 1, and -2 over -1 is just 2 over 1. And we can do it forever and ever and ever. Down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. And let's look at one more. We want up 1, right 3, 1/3. Could go down left, down and left, down 1, and left 3. All right? These are some things I wanted you to notice. And now let's actually do some graphing. All right, we're going to be graphing using what is called slope-intercept. Slope-intercept is in the form of y equals mx plus b, where b is the y-intercept, which is where we cross the x-axis. That would be the y-axis. Move across the y-axis. And m is the slope, which we talked about yesterday. So your first job, steps. 1, put in slope-intercept form. Put in slope-intercept. Form. 2, locate y-intercept. And we abbreviate it y-int. 3, locate slope. Two places. Minimum. And draw. So, let's do one. It's really pretty basic. 3x minus 2y equals negative 6. So minus 3x negative 2y equals negative 3x minus 6. Divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2, divide by negative 2. And y equals 3/2 x plus 3. So, all right, I have my axes drawn, and step number 1, solve, we did. Step number 2, locate the y-intercept, which is right there. Then locate the slope. The slope is 3/2, so I go up 1, 2, 3 over 2, up 3 over 2, and then I go backwards, down 3, left 2. And I can do this forever and ever and ever. I can go up 1, 2, 3 over 2, 1, 2, 3 over 2, 1, 2, 3 over 2, and I can draw a very nice line connecting all my dots. Now, I don't have to get carried away here. I don't have to do it 10 times, but at least 2, and a couple more doesn't hurt for accuracy. That's it. Very, very straightforward. Let's do one more. All right, here's my equation. I already put it in slope-intercept form. Y equals negative 1/4 x minus 2. Next, I go to my y-intercept, which is negative 2. The slope is negative 1/4. So I'm going to go down 1 and write 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1 is negative, right is positive. Negative over positive gives me negative. And then I can go down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will help me get a nice straight line that's accurate. Down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I can also go backwards. Up and left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4. And so on and so forth. And then I draw my line. And my line looks like that. Very straightforward. We want our lines to be accurate. So having a few more dots really, really helps. All right. Hope that wasn't too long. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Go Pack Go.